Greetings of the day. I, Asha K, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology, going to present Analog Electronics Circuits, Module 1, Clamping Circuits. So in today's class, we're going to learn about the clamping circuits and its effects of clamping. So what is actually clamping is? It is defined as a circuit that introduces a DC voltage to the input signal. The DC voltage introduced can be either positive or it can be negative. If the positive DC voltage is introduced, the circuit is called as positive clamping circuit. If the negative DC voltage is introduced to the input AC voltage, it is get shifted towards the negative peak side, that is downward side. Due to clamping, a DC voltage is added to the input voltage. A shape of the input and output voltage remains the same. Say after clamping the circuit, the shape is not going to change. But in the case of clipping circuits, the shape of the waveform can be like altered. We used to clip the positive peak, or we used to clip the negative clip, or we used to clip in between information or the in between input voltages in the clipping circuits. Whereas in case of clamping, the shape of the input and output voltage remains the same. Only we are going to alter the DC levels in the input waveform. The peak to peak value of the input and output voltage will be same. If positive voltage is introduced, the input voltage gets shifted upwards in case of the output. If negative DC voltage is introduced, what has going to happen here is the input gets shifted downward, and that will be the output of the clamping. Say we'll just discuss the types of the clamping. Basically we have positive clamping and negative clamping. In positive clamping, again we have like biased clamping circuits and unbiased clamping circuits. Negative clamping is also divided into unbiased clamping circuit and biased clamping circuits. Let us discuss about the positive clamping circuit. The positive clamping circuit is shown in figure 1. It consists of capacitor C and a diode D and a resistance R. The circuit which adds DC value to an AC waveform without changing its shape is called as the clamping circuit. The diode and resistors are connected in parallel and in series with the capacitor C as shown in figure 1. Let us discuss the working of positive clamper. Case 1. Consider when diode is forward biased. When the input voltage is less than the 0 volts, during that particular time, the diode is forward biased and it behaves like a short circuit. Say when I am going to apply the negative cycle of the input waveform, during the negative cycle of the input waveform, the anode terminal will be at the higher potential compared to the cathode terminal, and the diode conducts, the current flows through this particular diode, and the capacitor C charges to the peak value. Due to the flow of current, the capacitor charges with the polarities as indicated in this particular figure. So the capacitor charges only when the input voltage is less than 0. When the diode is forward biased, the capacitor charges to the peak value. The capacitor peak value is written as V capacitor is equal to Vp. Let us discuss the case 2. In case 2, when the diode is reverse biased, when we apply the positive voltage to the diode, that is, in such cases, what is going to happen here is when we apply the voltage, that is positive half cycle of the input wave, during this particular time, the anode terminal will be at the lower potential compared to the cathode terminal. The diode becomes reverse biased and acts as the open circuit. By choosing the large value of resistor and the capacitor discharges slowly. Therefore, the capacitor voltage assumed to be constant. The capacitor voltage is given by applying the Kirchhoff voltage law to this particular circuit. That is, negative to positive Vn, negative to positive plus Vc, then positive to negative minus V naught is equal to 0. Hence, we are going to get V output is equal to V input plus V capacitance. From equation 1, we know that V capacitance is equal to Vp. Hence, V output is equal to V input plus V peak value. Now, let us analyze the input output waveform for the positive clamping circuit. Say we have input three different levels. One is Vp, another one is 0, and the second one is minus Vp. When we have the input is equal to Vp, substitute this Vp in equation star. Then V output is equal to Vp plus Vp. This becomes 2 times Vp. When V input is equal to 0, then V output is equal to 0 plus Vp, that is equal to Vp. When V input is equal to minus Vp, V output is equal to minus Vp plus Vp, that is equal to 0. Say for three different levels of the input, we have the output values here. Let us draw the output waveform. When we have V peak value as the input, the output is equal to 2 times of Vp. When we have 0, the output is equal to Vp. When we have minus Vp, the output is equal to 0. So this is the input output waveform for positive clamping circuit. Here the output is shifted upward. The next concept that we are going to learn here is working of positive clamping circuit with a reference voltage, and also to obtain the output voltage waveform. Now, the negative reference voltage VR is introduced in the circuit. The diode D, a resistance R are in parallel and in series with the capacitor C as shown in this particular figure 1. The output voltage is measured across the resistor and diode combination. The reference voltage is connected in series with the diode. First consider Case 1, during the forward biasing of the diode, when the input voltage is less than 0. So what is going to happen here? For certain input voltages, the diode becomes forward biased and acts as the short circuit. Say forward biased because anode terminal will be at the higher value compared to the your cathode terminal. So for certain input voltages, the diode is forward biased and acts as the short circuit, and entire current flows through the diode. Due to the flow of current, the capacitor charges with the polarities as shown in this particular figure. The capacitor voltage is given by applying the Kirchhoff's voltage law to this particular circuit. That is, capacitor voltage, that is you have Vc, that is equal to V input voltage minus the V reference voltage. The capacitor charges to the peak value, that is equal to Vp minus Vr. Consider the case 2 when diode is reverse biased. When diode is reverse biased, it acts like open circuit. Capacitor which is already charged to the peak value will start discharging through the resistance R. Considering the large value of the resistance and the capacitor C, the capacitor discharges slowly. Therefore, the capacitor voltage is assumed to be constant. The voltage is found by applying the KVL to the circuit. That is, negative to positive, positive V in, then negative to positive, positive VC, positive to negative, minus V naught is equal to 0. Then V output is equal to V input plus V capacitance voltage. Then V output is written as V output plus V input plus substitute the value of the V capacitor Vp minus VR. V output is equal to V input plus Vp minus VR. The waveform for the positive clamping circuit with reference voltage is shown in this particular figure 4. Let our input V input is equal to Vp. In such cases, the output voltage is equal to Vp plus Vp minus Vr, that is equal to 2Vp minus Vr. Consider V input is equal to 0. Then V output is equal to 0 plus Vp minus Vr, that is Vp minus Vr. Let V input is equal to minus Vp. In such cases, the output is equal to minus Vr. Now, draw the output waveform. When V input is equal to Vp, the output is 2Vp minus Vr. When V input is equal to 0, the output is Vp minus Vr. When V input is equal to minus Vp, for this particular case, the output is equal to minus Vr. This completes the working of positive clamping circuit with a reference voltage. Thank you.